Hey guys, welcome to your ninth Blogs for Students tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to tidy up this sidebar area and add some cool widgets and get rid of some of the stuff that we don't want. So let's just have a look and see what we've got. We've got a couple of search bars here. We've got recent posts, which shows the recent posts from our blog, not the pages themselves. We've got recent comments here, and we've got an archive. So if we click on that, there we go, we can see our archives for this month. And just take that back. We've got categories, so you can see got a post there on Curly's wife, and then we've got some other stuff here, sort of admin, login, all that kind of stuff. So let's have a look then and see how to make this look a little bit better. So if we go into our dashboard, we want to go to appearance and widgets. Now widgets are basically things that you can put in your sidebar that just, give a little bit more, I don't know, just a little bit more interactivity and a little bit more information about your blog. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just have a look at this metadata here. Now this is where you've got like your login stuff. Now I don't really want that, so I'm going to get rid of it. So to get rid of it, just drag it across. Categories, I don't want to show my categories, so I'm going to get rid of that. Now search, I've got a search bar in my header, so I want to get rid of the search bar there. Recent posts I'm going to keep. Recent comments I'm going to get rid of, and archives I'll keep just in case somebody wants to go and have a look in a couple of months time and see what sort of ideas have been posted about. Okay, so I'm going to keep those, and then let's have a look and see what else we've got that might be useful. Blogs that I follow could be useful. So if people want to see, the types of stuff that I'm reading, if it's relevant, so maybe I'm reading some other blogs about Steinbeck or some other topics that I'm studying, then it's quite handy to have them there, and you can display that either as a list or as a grid. What else do I want? Could add my contact information, but I think the people who are going to read this know me anyway, so I won't bother with that. Follow blog, this is a good one, because people might want to ask to follow your blog. Obviously you're going to invite people anyway, but people might want to follow it anyway. So I'd put that fairly near the top, and that's okay. So just save that, and then we can just close it. What else? So there's loads of stuff here, and it is worth having a little look. To see pages. Now I've got quite a lot of pages, so I don't really want them messing up the side there. The most recent posts. Well, I've got my archive there, so I don't need that. Twitter. I could have my Twitter feed displayed on there, so let's go with that. And it's a bit of a pain, this is quite a small screen, so I do have to keep scrolling up to the top again. There we go. So I'll put my Twitter feed about there. So I mean, you can move these things around and just put them wherever you like. So my Twitter username is that, and I'll probably maybe just the last 3 tweets will be fine. Could display a follow button there to get people to follow me on Twitter. Hide replies. And include retweets. Yeah, I'm just going to check all of those, and let's see, that's probably it. I mean, I could put some events in there, if I wanted. There's tons of stuff there that you can use, but that's up to you. Put whatever you want in there, and then once you've done that, you just go back, and there you go. You can see we've got some more features there. So obviously I'm not following any blogs at the moment. I need to configure my Twitter username for the Twitter widget to work properly. So let's just do that. Let's see, what have I missed? I think I possibly just forgot to save it. So let's try that again. Just select all of those again. And then remember to put save. Close that. Let's have another look. Okay, so Twitter doesn't seem to be working at the moment. It might just be a time delay, so we'll see how that goes. I'll just try and refresh it one more time. Okay, still doesn't seem to be working, but anyway, I'll go and have a little look at that and see if we can sort that out. But that's pretty much all you need to do to get that sidebar looking the way that you want it to. So that's it. Have fun, play around with your website, play around with blogging. If you enjoyed the tutorial, then do subscribe, because I'm sure we will come up with some more stuff. And if there's anything that I've not covered that you want me to cover, then just leave us a comment, and we will do, or I will do what I can. Okay, thanks again, and I'll see you next time.